Alrighty, hello everybody. I hope that you're having a fantastic day or at least surviving. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to pay for your CGSA membership dues for the year. So just go ahead and open up My Coyote. From there, jump over to your Canvas page, jump into courses. You should be in the CGSA Canvas page. If not, go ahead and let us know. From there, go ahead and click on the jump into modules and click on the CGSA membership dues link. Once you do that, it'll take us to our online e-market page. It's going to ask you for your name as well as your email address. From there, really here it's two options. It's the $20 option and the $35 option. $20 is for the annual membership dues for the year, and the $35 option is the annual dues as well, along with your graduation sash, which you'll get in your final year. Note that you can either be a first year, second, third year, doesn't matter. Feel free to purchase it, and then CGSA will hold on to it until your graduation day. With that, you're good to go. If you have any questions, let us know. Bye.
Throw another log onto the fire.